Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Father's Day to everybody. Happy Father's Day, guys. We're going to kick this thing off the right way.
The ultimate type of a form of the currency been adopted by human society. I can tell exactly what's going to happen as the worst scenario or the must scenario. We're all going to die.
There you have it, guys. We're all going to die. There you have it. What is going on, guys? What is going on? How's everybody doing? All right. So, did we call it or did we call it, guys? Check it out. JASMY broke to the upside out of this bull pennant, right? And we are back in our between 3 cents 5 and 4 cents range where we were ping ponging. We made it back up inside of there, which is step one, right? Step one. Now we got to get in a solid weekly close today and see where we can see how high we can get on that weekly close. Right now, 3 cents 649. So very nice, very nice. But we did pop out of this as expected to the upside, guys. You absolutely love to see that. So let me talk to you. Sorry, I got my tea going here. All right, guys. So listen, before I hop into the chat, somebody had said in the comments, guys, like, here's the thing: when things are red, right? So you guys know, I'll give you both scenarios. I'll give you the possibility of things going up, and I'll give you the possibility why things could go up and why things could go down, right? And then somebody in the comments was like, got all salty and was like, so now things are now the parabolic part of the bull run is going to take even longer. Stop moving the goalpost, he said to me, right? Yeah. Couple things. One, I'm not moving nothing. I don't control the bull market. I don't control the cycle. And if I did, why the hell would I delay things any further, right? So people getting emotional and blaming me because, the cycle is what it is beyond me. But I've decided, guys, from now on, because I get attacked all the time by people who are impatient, they have a lack of impatience, and I see a lot of complaining. So now we have a new response that we're going to play out to every single time somebody complains. This is what they're going to get, all right? You got into crypto for the volatility. You're here for the volatility, so listen up.
Hey, you wanted this, right? You wanted the real deal? That's what this is. Wake up. You're in the middle of it. You want to run? Go ahead. No one's stopping you. Stop complaining.
Stop complaining. That's it. That's what it is from now on, man. That's what it is, right? We got to show some tough love to these people. So let's get into the chat a little bit here. Of course, me right off the hop. Make sure you smash the likes and sub to the channel, guys, to help it grow. That would be fantastic. That would be absolutely awesome. Again, guys, happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. Okay, what else do we got? Habik, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Brian, what's up, buddy? Buy the dip and let it rip. Happy Father's Day. Absolutely, man. Kevin, what's up, bro? Tato. Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Crypto Daddies. Absolutely. Holmes, what the hell happened last night, man? Man, Edmonton was like not going out in a whimper. Holy smokes. What was it, like 8-2 or something like that? 8-2? 8-1, 8-2, something like that? That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. But CTX in the morning at $3.65 and 50,000 more XN. Nice. I see that as a win, brother. I see it as a win. So I laid out, guys, speaking of XCN, buying XCN, I made a video yesterday and I laid out my millionaire strategy plan for XCN, right? So if you want to know what it is, you got to either become a member of the channel by clicking the join button or the link, or you got to join the Patreon. So videos out there for that. Also, guys, speaking of that, over on the Patreon, just so you guys know, I'm starting a series of videos today over there. We're going to start teaching you guys about candles. I'm going to start teaching about how to read the charts a little better, right? Bullish patterns, bearish patterns, stuff like that, right? So we're going to start teaching that stuff over on the Patreon. So if that's something you want to start learning, guys, jump over to the Patreon. We're going to be doing that we're going to start doing that today. We're going to start recording some videos for that today. So make sure you guys jump over to the Patreon for that. Link is in the description. Liquidity, happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers. Good morning and have a great day. Yes, absolutely. Forget about it. Happy Father's Day. Christian, weekly close looking good. Yeah, so far so good, man. Looking good, looking healthy. Altcoin King, what's up, man? Happy Father's Day. Junior, hey Rob, happy Sunday, happy Daddy Day. Yes, absolutely, man. By the way, guys, also for the members, we will be doing our live stream this afternoon. I just got a couple of things to do. So we will be doing the members only live stream later today as well. So guys, definitely make sure you're here for that. You do not want to miss the members only live streams. Got to drink my tea here. And if you want to get in, like I said, click the join button, guys. People don't understand how fast the market can move. Sometimes, no matter how down or up we go, we can quickly. Yeah, exactly. Yes, 100%. Yep, a loss is a loss. Still up 3-1 in the series. Yeah, absolutely. Here's the thing, though, man. Like, I was always hoping the series would go to at least 6 or 7. Right? Let's drag this bad boy out. You know what I mean? I want to see some good hockey. Andre looks to be forming the right shoulder slanted upwards, and then a pump will commence. Happy Father's Day. Yes, you're talking about the inverse head and shoulders on the Bitcoin on the daily. Is this what you're referring to, my friend? Boom. Yep. That's what we're talking about. If this breaks to the upside, guys, 90 to 91K. It's not guaranteed to happen, though. I argued the position of why we could see downside as well, right? So, guys, make sure that you're ready no matter what. Dumb Money, happy D-Day to you, Rob. Let's see this XCN run some. Yes, thank you. And absolutely, man. Absolutely. Chris, what's up, man? Your channel makes me laugh so much. Thanks for everything, Rob. Thanks, brother. Thanks. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Potential DXY dumping and crypto pumping tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, we're not even going to bother looking at the Dixie today because, I mean, it's Sunday, right? So it's not doing anything. But we will be looking at it tomorrow as usual. I'm still expecting 6 or 7 games maybe. I don't know, man. 3-1 is kind of hard to come back from, right? I think I got to be honest with you, man. I think Florida's going to take it in Florida next game, right? They're in Florida next, I believe, right? I'm pretty sure that Florida takes it in 5. Hey, Rob, what's a good amount of turbo to have? I mean, turbo, let's go look at turbo. Let's look at turbo. Hey. I mean, if it's me, I'm going to try to hold at least a couple of 100,000 tokens at 1/4 of a cent, right? You should be able to accumulate at least 200,000 or 300,000 tokens, but I would say no less than 100,000 would be my opinion. Would love to see a Game 5 win on home ice, but Edmonton has the momentum now. Yeah. I mean, they definitely made a statement, but I mean, who knows, right? Maybe, you know, the goaltending is just not there for Edmonton, right? It's just not there. Willie with the super sticker. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you for supporting the channel as always, you guys. As always, it means a lot when we get those kinds of things, guys. The channel support. So
The Rock thanks you for that.
So The Rock thanks you for that, brother. Trust me, he thanks you. All right, what else do we got? What else do we got? Okay, so let's get into some of the news, guys. See what's going on. Let me make sure we're actually live over on X before that. I didn't even check. We are live over on X. You'll love to see that. Perfect. Guys, if you're new, smash that subscribe button. You know what it is. You know what it is. You know what to do. I'm building my CTX bag. How many tokens would be a good bag? CTX. Let's have a look at CTX. CTX. You're talking about Cryptex Finance, right? Or are you talking about Cortex? I think Cryptex Finance we've talked about before. But which one are you talking about? Is this one you're talking about or the other one? $24 million market cap on this bad boy. Fantastic tokenomics. I have a feeling this is what you're talking about. All-time high in the last bull run, 44 bucks. Gemini and Coinbase. DeFi play. Yeah, I mean this one's gonna absolutely melt faces, brother. Honestly. For me, I would, if it was me, I'd probably try to get at least 2,000, maybe 2,500 coins, something like that is what I would aim for. But having something like 1,000 wouldn't be terrible either. Depends on what you're hoping to get out of it, right? This is most definitely going to smash through its all-time high of $44, in my opinion. That's going to be easy. The tokenomics are just far too good for it not to. You're probably looking at a little over $100 a coin, probably something like that. Potential. Rick, what do you think Swift will reach this bull run? Well, I mean, Swift has the potential to reach $1, in my opinion. Now, that being said, we all know what it's like when we see those psychological levels, right? Look what happened with Dogecoin. Everyone expected it to go to $1. That was the feeling. It got to about 73 cents, and that was the peak. It just ran out of road for the bull run, right? Just ran out of time. So this time around, Doge will likely get over $1. But what I would say is it's going to be something similar with Swift. It'll probably go to between 70 and 80 cents instead of $1, and it'll probably kind of pull back from there, and then probably break $1 in the next bull run, 2028, 2029. So that's why. But for me, like you guys know, I bought enough Swift that I'm out at 20, 25 cents, and I walk away with $1 million in Swift, right? I'm a Swift millionaire at 20 to 25 cents. So that's what I would say. I always like to front run things, guys. I look at where the price could go, where the potential where it could go, and then I make sure that I front run it by at least 50%, so that when I'm getting out, there's still a crap ton of buy orders coming in because FOMO is still real, right? So everyone buys up my orders really fast. I walk away with my cool milli, and everyone else is waiting for a psychological level of $1, and it might not even get there. It might only go to 72 cents or something, right? So I play it smart, man, because I would much rather make $2 or $3 million in this bull run instead of 5 or 6, and then risk it with higher risk at 5 or 6, then flip my 2 or 3 million into the next bull run and turn that into 20 or 30 million, as opposed to trying to be greedy. Right? Front run that, man. Always front run the market, guys. Get out before everybody else, right? Rob, did you ever run with the Junkyard Dog? He was one of my favorites. No, he was before my time. I'll tell you this, though. I did tag team with one of the Bushwhackers, Bushwhacker Luke. I was his tag team partner. I was punched in the face, in a match by Tito, one of the WWE Hall of Famers. I've worked with Billy Gunn and the Road Dogg from DX. I've worked with Carlito. I've worked with Gangrel. I've worked with, there's so many names I've worked with over the years. Lots of people. BTC dominance dropping slightly. JASMY rising. Smart money buys JASMY, and this bodes very well for the bull run. We could have something epic on the very near horizon. That'd be nice, man. That would be nice. Nothing but the North talk. Good afternoon, Rob. Let's kick some haters' ass. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, man. And that's the thing, right? That's the thing. People, again, this morning, I woke up to a bunch of people complaining and whining about the market, and they can't handle the volatility. So to them, again, we got to play it again, guys.
Hey, you wanted this, right? You wanted the real deal. That's what this is. Wake up. You're in the middle of it. You want to run? Go ahead. No one's stopping you. Stop complaining.
Stop complaining. Hello, Sir and Jasmine family. What's up, my friend? What's going on? Guys, we got to give the tough love sometimes, right? People can't handle the volatility. And that is really the truth of it, right? That is the truth of it, is that honestly, people who are upset by, you know, the market not going up and the crashes and stuff, like, listen, you got to take the crookeds with the straights, right? You got to take the downs with the ups. And at the end of the day, you're here for the volatility. So deal with the volatility, right? That's what it is. Without the bad volatility, the red volatility, there's no green volatility. There is no life-changing wealth opportunities without the doom and gloom trenches of the bear market, right? They go hand in hand. Love hurts, baby. Love hurts, right? Fast and Curious, what's up, brother? Hey, Rob. Got in Pepe again, and it dropped like 35 million. Dumping great today. Night. Yeah, I saw that. It's pumping really good, eh? Because I picked some more up too. It was up earlier, like 29 or 30%, man. Good call, brother. Good call on that pickup. I dig it, man. I'm up pretty big on it right now too. Not so. Look at, guys, holy smokes, look at this. Look at this out of nowhere. I just noticed this. Swift is up 13% out of nowhere. I don't even know what just happened, but it's pumping pretty good. So everyone who picked up Swift on that dip as well is doing very, very nice. Jasmy's up 5.2%. It's a nice little day. And these are pumping against Bitcoin being not so great, right? Bitcoin's just 66.5, only up 0.6%. So some of these alts are starting to pump against, away from Bitcoin regardless, right? So fantastic. Fantastic trade, brother. Son Assad, hopefully I reach 2 to 3 million Swift before the bull run. Well, I mean, hopefully you got some today before it pumped up 13%. Hello, I'm now a few months in Jasmy. What is your opinion on Jasmy? Assuming reaching $1 to yeah, I think it'll reach $1. $1 is pretty much baked in my opinion. $1 is going to happen, in my opinion, right? As for $3.37, I couldn't tell you, man. It's possible, but $1 for sure, in my opinion. Sleep with the Bears if you want to dance with the Bulls. Yes, exactly, 100%. Got to take the crookeds with the straights, brother. This isn't a sometimes thing, right? That's the thing, man. You know, this isn't a sometimes thing. Come on. Something I learned from here: take some profits on big pumps and then buy the dips. Rob, H-bar sale on a huge pump is the way forward. Yeah, I sold my H-bar when H-bar pumped up to like 19 cents. I told the members I sold my H-bar. I bought like a crap load of Swift. That got me like millions of Swift, right? So, and you know, now I'm positioned where, look at H-bar is back down to 8 cents. So now I can fill my bags back up on H-bar at this nice low level. I can smell what Jasmy's cooking. I heard that somewhere. The Rock. Yes, The Rock, 100%. I'm 400K in Swift. Nice. That is a nice bag of Swift, my friend. Sleep with the Bears, dance with the Bulls. Yeah, fantastic metaphor. Can I use your information to make videos in any language? Of course you can. What I do here is I do this to raise awareness and to build the Jasmy community, right? So absolutely, if it helps people in Jasmy in any language whatsoever, then absolutely you're more than welcome to use my content to bring more people into JASMY, to educate more people into JASMY, and to help people in this market. That's the goal behind this channel. So absolutely, yes, you can. You think when Ethereum ETFs money starts flowing in? Yes, I do. Big time. Big time, right? Very, very big. Liquidity, yes, exactly. Mid-July, right? Which is what I was saying like a month and a half ago, right, guys? So if the ETFs do go live, like projections, on July 2nd, yeah, it'll take about two to 3 weeks for the effect on the price to kick in, right? So, George, looking good, Rob. Hello, JASMY family. Thank you, brother. Thank you. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. That's what I'm thinking, because in my country there is no JASMY people. At least I don't know about them. Yeah, that's I mean, you know, sometimes we got to build it out, right? So you got to be that leader there, man. You got to be that leader, and you know, start making that content, my friend. What are you doing today for Father's Day? Yeah, you know, I don't know. I got so much work to do, honestly. But I would say I'm probably going to take my little guy outside and spray him with the hose for a while, because he loves running around and, you know, getting sprayed with the hose. And I'll probably let him attack me with his water gun or something. Maybe take him to the park. Probably. I gotta go do a workout. I gotta get in a back workout as well. But other than that, yeah, just kind of hanging out with my little guy. You know, having some fun. I taught him how to arm wrestle the other day. And now every time he comes up to me, he's like this, puts his hand on the table like this, like, let's go. It's only 4 years old, but he's like, let's go. Like you said, Rob, we're not thinking of selling now, so just fill up the bags and wait for the moon. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Hey, Rob, are you not bullish on KASPA Labs? I feel like that's one of those projects nobody's talking with. It's very underrated. Man, I am hugely bullish on KASPA Labs, my friend. Hugely. I do hold KASPA. The only reason I don't talk about it much is because when I do, people don't watch the videos, right? So that's why I don't talk about it. Yes, I do hold KASPA. I'm very bullish on KASPA. I think KASPA can hit $1 for sure. I watch a lot of Kevin Cage content on KASPA, to be honest with you. And but yes, I am ultra bullish on KASPA for sure. Yes. So, all right. So we can get into some of the news of the day. All right. So yeah, let's get into some of the news, guys. So as I always say, guys, I'm going to be over here doing the news. If you want to get my attention, just fire me over a super chat and I will jump over to your question, comment, or concern. So yeah. Let's get into the news. Steph is Crypto still playing out this cup and handle formation he's been watching on the weekly time frame for JASMY. Says, will this cup and handle formation play out? We would need more downside, honestly, guys. I don't know. The thing about cup and handles is they don't play out as commonly as people think that they do, right? They play out and they're bullish, but just not as often, right? So I personally don't think we're going to see the cup and handle formation play out. I don't know. We're already kind of pumping, so I think there's other patterns on the chart that will play out. Like we're breaking out of the bullpen right now, right? We're breaking out, and this requires us to go back down. So we'll have to see how it goes, right? But hey, I hope he's right, because that would be a 70-cent JASMY. So absolutely, right? Plan B says, I love this part of the bull market. Yes, this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. He says, where some people become impatient and others even think the bull market is over. 2020 vibes. Absolutely, man. I would agree with that. Anyone who was around in the last bull run, you know exactly what he's talking about, right? Absolutely. All right. What else? What do we got? Dimitri says Jasmy. So long add longs here. He says to add a long, the max target is all-time high. Well, it's not all-time high. I think he means local high, right? Some people are getting confused by that because people are using the term all-time high, but it's actually when it breaks into a new high over, but still lower than the all-time high. It's actually called a local top, right? Not an all-time high. So, but because I see some people I know it's kind of like it's potato, but some people I start to see arguing in the comments about stupid stuff like that. It's like, guys, we all knew what he meant when he said all-time high, right? So anyway, guys, breakout of this is going to consist of a 4-cent 5 level, most likely. So very, very bullish. And here we have more people talking about Jasmy, and that's why I brought this up. So Eric says, tired of big tech mafias stealing and selling my information and data without my permission, doing whatever they want with it, no oversight. I'd love to have a personal data locker, wouldn't you? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. That's the goal. That's the dream. Big things popping, little things stopping. All right, what do we got over here? 50 trillion of wealth is coming into crypto. Listen up.
So, well, you've also said that we are in a banana zone right now.
We're coming into the banana zone. We're coming into the banana zone.
How do you position the upcoming banana zone and what happens next? For those that have not listened to the video.
The banana zone is something that both Arthur and I talk a lot about. It's that point in the cycle where liquidity comes in, where central banks need to refi all of the debt. It's when politicians bribe the people with plenty of candy. It's that moment that crypto tends to go vertical. And it's very cyclical. It's driven by this macroeconomic forces of this debt refi cycle. It affects all the asset prices over the time. But crypto is the one that goes truly bananas.
Arthur, let's start with you. What have we got?
Strategy, be long. Don't sell. Don't get shook. Don't use too much leverage. I mean, it's pretty simple. Like, everyone knows what they should be doing. At the end of the day, it's very, very simple. If you believe that central banks and governments are in debt, will continue to be in debt, will continue to print money, will continue to hand out, welfare to buy votes or support from the population at large, then crypto is the answer.
Well, I'm curious to hear from you. Best play of 2024, and how have you played this year?
To do absolutely nothing has been the best play of all. And my view is this space goes from 2.5–3 trillion now. By the end of this cycle, it's 10 to 15 trillion. By the end of, let's say, 2032, just extrapolating the normal log trend of this, it's $100 trillion by 2032. That from here is $97 trillion of wealth that is going to come. This is the largest, fastest accumulation of wealth in all recorded history. Let's assume I'm a total moron, which is a good thing to do, and I'm wrong by 50%. It's still a $50 trillion wealth accumulation. That is the entire history of wealth accumulation of the S&P 500.
Crazy, guys. Crazy projection. I'm on board with it, guys. I am okay with that. Now, guys, we got to talk about the elephant in the room here, okay? And the elephant goes by the name of Jerry Banfield. All right. Now, people have been asking me about this guy. They're like, well, Jerry said this. Jerry guy, I saw this guy. Look at, guys, I want to give you a little context here, okay? This is what's called a paid fudder, okay? And anyone who says he doesn't get paid to FUD, yes, he does. And what I mean by that is he gets paid by ad revenue. He gets paid by clicks, okay? Look at this. Inside of 3 days, he made 8 videos of 8 different projects that he claims is going to zero. And what do you notice about all these projects for the most part? They have big communities and they're popular. HBAR, Ethereum, Chainlink, Arweave, Render, Jasmy, XRP, and KASPA, right? Now, why did he do this? Because he wants clicks. Nothing he says in any of these, he just basically copy and pasted everything he said in one video into every video, smashed a different popular crypto's name on the thumbnail, and he's getting clicks. He doesn't even know what he's talking about. He's just doing it for clicks. So anyone who's seen these videos and they're saying, oh, well, Jerry said Jasmy's going to zero. Yeah, he also said HBAR, Ethereum, Chainlink, Render, XRP, and KASPA were going to 0 too, right? He's an imbecile. Act accordingly, right? So I just wanted to give some context on that, guys. When you got a guy who makes 8 videos about 8 popular projects and says the exact same thing, every single thumbnail is identical. Going to 0, going to 0, going to 0, going, like everything's going to 0 except ICP, right? You got to ignore these kind of people. He's doing it to get you to watch it so he gets paid in ad revenue and clicks. That's why he's doing it, okay? Just so we're clear. What do we got? Bitcoin. So we got another opinion here from France a lot. Thinks that Bitcoin is going to be going in for a major pullback. Now, guys, again, I've laid out both scenarios for you guys. I've shown you the argument for why Bitcoin could be ready to shoot up to 90 to 91K. But I've also shown you the argument of why we could see it pull back down to around that 52, 53K level, right? And if you don't know about the 52, 53K level, well, I mean, listen, go watch the video that I made. I think it came out yesterday, right? And it's telling you the scenario of why it could go down there, right? Not that its odds are that it's going to. The odds are actually better it goes up than down. But I always make sure that you guys are fully informed of both scenarios so that you're ready for both scenarios, right? I'm not going to just give you the bullish scenario just to make you happy and tell you what you want to hear when there's a potential of a downside, right? You got to know the downside too, because if you know the downside, then guess what? Then you're able to have dry powder on the side and you're able to dollar cost average on those dips because you're ready for them, right? So yeah. All right. So Ethereum whales have bought over 700,000 Ethereum in the past 3 weeks, guys, totaling approximately $2.45 billion. So while the market is down, these whales are accumulating like crazy, guys, like crazy. So Lark says the best time to buy a token is when you feel uncomfortable buying it. When it's down 10, 20, 30%. That's how life-changing money is made. Yes, 100%, guys, 100%. Things you need to know. All right, so top crypto analyst reveals bullish D-pin coins for the summer. As we scroll down, we've got Cybro doing a pre-sale. We've got Render, XCH, and then what do we have? JASMY. Positive market sentiment surrounds JASMY despite recent dip. The market sentiment for JASMY appears optimistic. The recent price dip seems to be a minor setback in light of substantial long-term gains. The coin's significant monthly and half-yearly growth are encouraging signs. Current technical indicators suggest persistent upward momentum. JASMY is designed for data democratization and IoT ecosystems in Japan. Holds potential for increased adoption. Its robust performance might attract investors, fostering greater stability and continued growth. And what investors could those be? Well, guys, we have been talking about the potential of Ripple investing into JASMY, and I did make a video about it, a couple videos about it. I got another one that comes out, I think, today or tomorrow, discussing it a little bit further in detail and why it just makes sense for Ripple to want to invest into JASMY, right? I mean, they're in the market for a blockchain company in Japan, and JASMY is one of 3 companies in Japan, and JASMY, I would argue, would be the most popular given the government contracts they hold, the only blockchain company in Japan with legal clarity, for one, legal regulatory standing. And you have to think that if any company out there cares more about legal clarity in a project before they get involved in it, it would have to be Ripple, given the fight that they've had to go through with the SEC over the last 3 years, right? Of course, they're going to want to avoid any kind of further legal problems in any other country. So why not just invest in the blockchain company that already has legal clarity in Japan? It just makes sense, right? So, all right. And Biden added again, Biden's administration to join key congressional leaders for Bitcoin roundtable in Washington. Representative Ro Khanna of California's 17th district is gearing up to lead a pivotal Bitcoin and blockchain discussion in the nation's capital come early July. This was revealed by a confidential communique from his office obtained by Bitcoin Magazine. The office categorizes the impending assembly as an unprecedented convergence of policy shapers and trailblazers in the blockchain arena. Anticipated attendees include figures from President Biden's circle, members of both congressional chambers, and entrepreneur Mark Cuban, as per the dispatch. The gathering's chief aim is to forge a path for domestic Bitcoin and blockchain advancements. This move is perceived as a counteraction to the ex-president Donald Trump's recent Bitcoin sector endorsement. So Biden is panicking because he's not the crypto president. Yeah, that's what happens when you attack crypto for 2.5 years, bro. And I got to be honest with you guys. Before I continue on, I got to be honest with you here. Even if Biden does a complete 180, right? Unless he does some stuff in terms of legal clarity and regulations for crypto that cannot simply be undone by him later, right? Something that sticks, something in stone, right? Besides promises, I don't see how anyone's going to believe him if he starts talking pro-crypto, unless he actually does something that sticks, right? Because if all he's doing is saying he's pro-crypto, just to counter what Trump's saying, then what's to stop him to just going right back to attacking crypto like he has been for 2.5 years? He's been attacking crypto for 2.5 years. If you think for 1 second that Gary Gensler has been acting alone, you're sadly mistaken. I got a bridge to nowhere that I'll sell you, right? He has been acting on behalf of Elizabeth Warren and Joe Biden's administration 100%. That's why Biden vetoed that bill, right? So for Biden to all of a sudden start supporting crypto, I'm going to need to see action instead of just words, right? Because he's going to say it, he's going to get voted back in, and then he's going to not follow through on any of the promises that he's making about crypto. And I know people are saying that about Trump too, but listen, yeah, that's possible that Trump will do the same thing. But I'll tell you right now, when I have two candidates, one of which in Trump, who has not been attacking crypto, and the other one who has been viciously and blatantly attacking crypto for 2.5 years, I'm going to go with the guy who has not been attacking crypto and making the same promises, right? Because this guy over here has been trying to kill it for almost 3 years. So, yeah, sorry. Don't believe you, bro. Notably, Trump has embraced Bitcoin's Lightning transactions for his campaign contributions. The presidential first. Trump vowed last evening to dismantle what he terms Biden's crypto crusade and to anchor the Bitcoin and crypto sector's future within the American shores. This week also saw Trump convening to top-tier Bitcoin miners at Mar-a-Lago, affirming his backing for Bitcoin mining endeavors, both locally and internationally. Over the last 4 years, President Biden's administration has exhibited an adversarial approach towards the Bitcoin and crypto sectors. On May 31st, Biden vetoed a bill that would have permitted stringently regulated banks to manage Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Moreover, in April, the DOJ apprehended the creators of the chief executive of Samurai Wallet, a renowned Bitcoin mixer, on money laundering allegations. So there you have it, Rabbit. We'll see what happens. But I mean, it's bullish that Biden is trying to, that Biden is saying all of a sudden he's pro-crypto this and pro-crypto that. I'm bullish on that, but actions. Fire Gary Gensler. Then I'll be on board with you, bro. Replace him, you'll win a lot of people over, right? All right, what else do we got? Little bit of bullish Solana news here, guys. The last time Solana hit the 20-week SMA, the price was $21 down here, guys. Look how high the price ran up after it hit. So, and we're just hitting it again. Big things popping, little things stopping. JASMY's price bullish once again as green signal sends JASMY's price back towards the upward trend. As the crypto market sways with the activity from the bulls and bears, it looks like some altcoins are on a bullish trajectory once again. Despite the repeated dips in the crypto market over this month, many altcoins are beginning to surge once more. To highlight, the popular altcoin JASMY seems to be on a bullish upward trajectory over the last 24 hours. The price of JASMY has soared by 3%, printing green and bullish signals across the charts. To support the hypothesis that JASMY's price would continue to spike, crypto analyst and JASMY enthusiast Steph Crypto shared his latest video expressing his thoughts on the matter. This video drops as an insightful technical analysis for the altcoin. Specifically, Steph begins by sharing the 4-day hourly time frame. The 4-day hourly? That doesn't make any sense. The 4-hour. He shared the 4-hour, I assume they mean, time frame chart, and draws light to the fact that JASMY is painting a similar price pattern. He has mentioned before that the bullish divergence is coming for JASMY based on the RSI on the time frame as he observed last week. Thus, he believes a new all-time high this cycle, which again, guys, not all-time high, local high, right, is inevitable for JASMY. Furthermore, he has been expecting the bullish end of the cup and handle pattern for the asset to finally make its debut. Despite these very bullish signals, he still expects the asset to dip a little bit more before shooting upwards. Steph notices that JASMY is at a price where it was earlier in the first week of June and is pleased to see that the asset is recovering steadily since the latest dips last week. He then mentions the same resistance bonds that are still being tested. Once these resistance levels are dealt with, JASMY's price is set to shoot towards setting new local highs and much more. Very, very bullish, guys. So, I mean, I hope the cup and handle plays out personally. I really, really do. But, you know, and if it does, then we're all rich, right? I can dig that. I can dig that. All right. Let's see what's going on here. There you go. JASMY is trying to pump further right now, trying to go a little bit higher. Let's get back into the chat, guys, see what's going on. Nothing but the North talk. The question is how the CEO can see JASMY in 2026 at $17 per coin. Does it make sense even after this bull run to you? No, I think that their timing is just a little off. I think that we will see that closer to 2028, 2029. And the reason for that is that they have a time frame for, or they have a schedule for locking up tokens, right? And they're also projecting a certain percentage of tokens being locked up when the PDL is active, right? So that is part of it, right? And we'll have to see. We're going to have to play it by ear because once the PDL launches, it'll be very, very interesting to see how these lockups start to really kick in heavy, right? They may kick in like crazy. Last bull run, guys, Cardano's TVL was 82%, I believe, right? If JASMY achieves that, we'll have less than 14 billion in circulation. So keep that in mind, guys. And that's going to do crazy things to the price, right? Ticker symbol CSPR for KASPA, right? Yes, correct. Even they're against leverage trading. Yes. Oh, that idiot. Jerry, put your damn shirt on and get a job. I saw his Jasmy video and couldn't even listen to a full minute. Yeah, I got through about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it was too laughable to continue watching. I was like, this guy knows nothing about what he's talking about. Is ICP going to do anything? ICP will probably be somewhere around $100, in my opinion. Does your crypto go to zero when everyone dies? If a tree falls in the forest, right? He's paid to shill ICP. Yes, he is. That's what I heard. Yep. I saw his video to see if what you guys were saying is true, and he's a dumbass. 100%, man. 100%. That guy's a creep. Yep, I agree. He looks like one as well. Next video is hairline going to zero. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. He has a creepy look and vibe to him. Yeah, he's got like that I'll eat your spleen and kind of look to him. ICP insane crypto person show. Yeah. I saw somebody put out a question to the ICP community, just asking them, like, do they not feel completely embarrassed being represented by that guy? Like, because he makes them look very bad, you know? Jerry should invest in the coins he FUDs and also and slow down on the coke. He probably does invest in the coins that he FUDs. He probably tries to push the prices down and then buy them, right? Forda, Swift, and XEN. Yes, Forda is another project. Yes, and Jasmy, absolutely. But Forda is another project I have been meaning to get into. I am very bullish on Forda. I do not hold any yet, but it is one that I plan on getting. I'm still building my XCN bag. I still got a little ways to go on that. I laid out my XCN millionaire strategy over on the Patreon and on the member side. So if you want to know what it is, go check it out, guys. You're not going to want to miss it. Click the join button or click the link in the description to join the Patreon. I put that out yesterday, I think, my XCN millionaire strategy. But yeah, Forda, definitely another one that I want to get into before it's too late. Send us out to Jerry. All coins and tokens are a scam except for ICP. Yep, I agree. Had to unsubscribe from that guy after those streams. Exactly. Forda to $10, Swift to $1 plus, XCN to 50 cents plus. Absolutely. Absolutely, man. Guys, this is going to be so awesome. Like, I'm so freaking giddy for this bull run, guys. It's going to be so fantastic. I cannot wait to see that portfolio just look, obese, KK Joey, lifelong liar, will know integrity, will do or say anything. Absolutely, man. Biden is an even bigger creep. Explain TVL. TVL is total value locked, which means tokens that are locked up and taken out of circulation. And when tokens are taken out of circulation, it increases the value of the remaining tokens that are in circulation. So supply and demand, right? WF Capital, what's up, man? I'm working on some veracity stuff for you, my friend. Ronald, inverse head and shoulders playing out on the 2 hour and forming on the 4 hour. Are you talking about Bitcoin? Which project you talking about, man? Because I've already got it mapped out here for the last week or so on the daily. I mean, if you zoom out, you've got it on the 4 hour. Oh, on Jasmy, yeah. Well, this is Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Jasmy, see if we can spot this inverse head and shoulders you talk about. What you talking about? You said on the 4 hour? Inverse head and shoulders. Where do you see that playing out? Trying to spot it here on the 4 hour. I'm not seeing an inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Maybe on the hourly. I don't know. Is this what you're talking about? something like this. I mean, maybe right there on the 4 hour or on the hourly, maybe. Yeah, little bit, I suppose. Oh, damn it. Damn it. There we go. There. Yeah, I guess I could kind of see it. I see what you're talking about, if that's what you mean. Let me know if I nailed it there, brother. Forta is on sale right now. Yeah, I know, but I'm still working on my XCN. I'm trying to get 5 million coins. I got to reach that goal first before I move on. Heading to Mexico today. Have safe travels, brother. Take care of yourselves. Have a great time with your family, man. This bull run will be insane. Yes, I am so freaking excited about it, man. It's not even funny. Definitely excited about it. Like it's gonna be face melting, guys. It's gonna be like, I can't even wait. Remove the trend line. More clear on the 2 hour. The 2 hour. Oh yeah. I see it. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I mean, hey, it's playing out, right? I mean, we could break all the way up to 4 cents here. Let's see how the weekly close happens, right? We got to see how this weekly close takes place here in about 6.5 hours. Happy Father's Day and happy JASMY Breakout Day. Yes, fantastic day for JASMY to start breaking out, guys. Father's Day, nice little Father's Day present for all of us JASMY dads out there. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic afternoon. All you dads out there, hope you have a fantastic afternoon with your kids. I know that I am for sure. I'm gonna go hang out with my little guy a little bit. I'm gonna eat a lot more cake too, guys, because it's also yesterday was my birthday. If you don't know, right? So I felt like crap later yesterday evening, guys. I ate so much bad food, it was ridiculous, right? I was drinking pop. I was eating cake, carrot cake with such good icing. My wife makes this fantastic carrot cake. Oh, it was so good. I was eating my favorite meal, spaghetti and meatballs. This is what she made for me. And just garlic cheese toast, guys. Oh my God, I felt like crap, but it was worth it, right? So I had my birthday yesterday. And then today it's Father's Day, but it's also one of my daughter's birthdays today. Her birthday's the day after mine. So today I'm going to stuff my face even more, right? So I got to make sure I do some extra cardio today because, man, I'm going to feel awful again tonight. But that's why there was no live stream last night, guys. I was just having my birthday dinner with the family. So I apologize for not being here for the evening live stream as I usually am. But yeah, it was a good time though, guys. It was a good time. And again, I wanted to thank everybody for the birthday wishes yesterday. Oh, and today, guys. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes, guys. It definitely means a lot. All the fathers are buying JASMY. Yes. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations on leveling up day. Happy Father's Day. Yes. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, guys. We have a fantastic community here. I love you guys. I love it. You guys are amazing. You know that? So yeah, just always so supportive. No toxic people in this community, guys. We have created, I am proud to say that we have created one of the best communities in crypto, in my opinion. There's never any toxic people. Everyone's always supportive of each other, even here or on the Discord as well. I mean, you guys are always chatting away, having a good time. So guys, I'm so proud of all of us, right? I'm proud of this community. Happy birthday, Beast. Thank you so much, man. Rick, happy birthday. Thank you, man. Happy birthday. Why would you apologize for spending time with the family? Do it more. Thank you so much. Known as Momo. Thank you so much, my friend. Absolutely. I just more apologize for not really making an announcement about not being here, right? So yeah. But anyway, guys, I am going to I'm gonna go head to the gym. I gotta get in a good solid workout. I gotta get in some cardio. I'm gonna put the chart up so you guys can hang out, watch Jasmy continue to pump. Do you guys want? I'm gonna leave it on the 15-minute because it's pumping right now. The 15-minute tends to be a little bit more fun to watch when things are pumping. So I'll leave the 15-minute chart up. And yeah, I'm gonna head off to the gym. I'll see you guys this evening. I will be back for this evening's live stream. So, but also, guys, hey, we have the members only live stream this afternoon as well. If you want to be a part of the members only live stream, you got to click the join button, or you got to click the link in the chat. We'll be doing that this afternoon. We drop a couple of microcap gems there. We look at some newer projects and stuff. So members only stuff. Check that out, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah. All right, guys. So I'm going to head out and I will see you guys. Oh, what do we got here? Jasmy has a large head and shoulders pattern sliding towards the upper time frame on the charts. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. It's looking good. It's looking good. All right, guys. I'll see you in about. I'll see you here for the weekly close at about 7 p.m. Central. That's in about 6.5 hours. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, guys.